Okay, good day class. So this is teacher Eman and alright, I'm your here and I am going to review you on the topics that we had because tomorrow will be our summative test. Now we're going to talk about factoring common monomials. Now this is only applicable to binomials and trinomials. Okay. Now for example, we have a trinomial of 12a cubed minus 8a squared b plus 4a. So for us to determine first if this technique is applicable in this trinomial, okay, we need to first look at each term. Do they all have the same factor or variable? 12, 8, and 4. Yes, they have a common factor. Okay? And the variables. Do they have the same variables? Yes, they have A, and A here. Okay? So, middle term lang may B. Pero, the thing about factoring common monomials is once meron sila lahat common, we can apply this. So if you will use common monomial factors, so you need to get the factors of the three terms. So first is the first term, second term, and the third term. Okay? So these are the factors of 12a cubed. We have 3 times 2 times 2 times a times a times a. Now, negative 8a squared b. So we factor negative 1 times 2 times 2 times 2. Okay? 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. And then a squared. 2a's. A times a times b. Okay? How about 4a? So let's find the factors of 4a. 4 it's 2 times 2 and times a. And then we find the GCF. Okay? So what are the common factors in this trinomial? We have 2 and another 2 and a's. Okay, so we bring down the first three common factors, which is 2, and another 2 is 1 and a. Okay, and we multiply these um, factors here. So we will get 4a. Now, this is our GCF, or the greatest common monomial factor. Now, right, since we have the GCF now, so to factor this out, okay, so you need to write the GCF and then put parentheses, okay. Now, this will be the other term, okay. Now, what will be your other term? What is, let's first look at the first term. Ano yung natira? What's left? It's 3 times A times A, right? And then you just multiply this all. It's going to be 3A squared, right? Second term, the same thing. Ano yung natira? Negative 1, 2 times A times B. Okay? Just multiply them. Negative 1 times 2, it's 2. Negative 2 times A, it's 2A. Negative 2A times B is 2AB. Okay? Now, so since nakuha na lahat ng factors ni 4, so meron pa man yung 1, di ba? Right? So, 1 na lang siya. Alright? So, therefore, Your other factors is ito. So just copy the first term, 3a squared. And be cautious of the sign or the operation. So the second term is negative, so minus 2ab. And we have plus 1. This would be your factored out form of this trinomial. Okay?